Okay, I have, oh geez, that's not gonna work. I have successfully launched the new kayak for the first time. I just got here. We are on the south side of 3 Mile Bridge, which is kind of cool. I've always launched from Graffiti Park, but my buddy Paul, who I had been borrowing the kayak from this whole time, says he likes this better, and I was like, cool. So we stopped by Gulf Breeze Bait and Tackle. I got 2 dozen shrimp. We got 2 dozen fiddler crabs. We got them both here. We're gonna go to 3 Mile Bridge and we'll see what happens, right? Sheep's head, redfish, black drum. There's all sorts of trout, who knows? The goal is to jack with this kayak, which we'll talk about it more, but for now, I'm just waiting on Paul to get his loaded. I think I got everything situated. While I'm waiting for him to do it, I may throw the drone up and get some cool footage. If that's the case, I'm gonna turn on my chest cam, split the audio. Okay, here's my plan. Split the audio and then fly it around, and you can hear me talking while the drone footage is flying. So that's my goal. So I'm gonna do that while I'm waiting on Paul. All right, the drone is up. So I'm going to drive around. Man, this pedal drive really is cool to be able to go backwards this easy. Oh man, it's gonna be too hot with this sweatshirt on. All right, let's see if I can't get this drone to see me. All right, so I have it in spotlight mode. Oh, that's a picture. Let's do video. All right, let's do some video. I'm gonna drive around and see what this thing does. Oh, this is spotlight, so it should just keep me in view no matter what. Well, that's cool. What is active shots? Automatic. Oh, person mode. Okay. Active shots. Parallel. Does that work? Go. Uh-oh, it lost me. Let's flip back around and see if it... All right, let's stand up. Oh man, that steady stick. Jeez, that works out really freaking good. I can stand up. Wow, this thing is pretty freaking stable. I can do literally whatever I want. All right, where's the drone? Oh, there it is. That's cool. Okay. Drone is going. All right, let's stop you. Let's bring you back and land so I don't waste all the battery now that I know that I'm a freaking professional. This is gonna be interesting. Okay, that's recording, this is recording. Let's try to land this thing now on a moving boat, which will be... Okay. Oh, okay, come down. I want to come down. Come. Oh, it avoided me. Uh-oh, that's not going to be good. Don't avoid me. You're not my wife. Get it? Uh-oh. All right, come. All right, except now, what if I hit land?
Return to home.
Uh-oh. Okay, that was a little bit harder than I thought it was gonna be, but it worked. I had to put it into sport mode to disable all the sensors, but I did it. So I'm gonna save this battery, and hopefully Paul will be here soon, and then we can... Hey, I got a pinfish. Oh, you little motherfucker! You won't fuck on me? You gonna get hooked through mouth? Yeah. Well, I know what it was. Are you excited? Oh, I'm excited. Oh yeah! Fucking finally! Of course, I'm not ready. He's hooked good though. Oh boy! Oh, he's a good one. He's not quite pulling drag, but it's still an absolute freaking keeper. Boy! Come on, get on here in the motherfucking face! Woo! That's about time. That is 4 months, at least, in the works to get this freaking fish. I didn't even start my camera. At least the GoPro 360 is going. Check it out. My bridge, my place, my setup. It's about time. I had been saying the same thing. I don't even know how many times now. Connolly rod, inshore, Penn Slammer, 3500, 20-pound Beyond Braid, 15-pound Beyond Braid fluorocarbon leader. Check this dude out. Okay, hold on. All right. This thing is gonna taste good. Come here, get those chompers out of there. Oh God, he's all wrapped up in the net. I did this every time. Let's do some fish grips. Okay, he's fish gripped. Oh, what a shit show. It's actually not. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. I have been doing the same thing over and over and over forever now. And I finally got you. Now I can't even show them off to my friends. I'm embarrassed. You're really embarrassing me in front of my friends here. All right. We got the jig loose. Ha, foot loose. All right, Paul's on the way over. Let's not embarrass me in front of more of my friends. Okay, let it go. Just let it go. Okay, goodness. That was a shit show. That was a shit show. It's still a shit show. All right, just like I said, 3/4 ounce Birds of Prey jig head with a big old fat daddy. I don't know, 20 inches. We'll have to take him over to Paul to check him out. However, just so people who haven't ever seen this, oh, they're spiky. They got big old teeth, so check those teeth out. Ooh, he's nasty. Ooh, you nasty. All right, we are gonna bleed this fish. We're absolutely taking this fool home to eat. So we're gonna bleed him out, and the way you do that, right behind this, ooh, you don't run into things. All right, the way you do this is right behind this fin is a little hole. You just go, oop, use strong hands. Oh, that's hard. Oh yeah, right through there. He'll start bleeding out. We'll do the other side as well. Bleed you out. Puncture. We'll let him bleed. It is about time, Paul. Fiddler crabs. I want to measure him in your kayak and see how long this thing is. I don't have a measurer.
I'm saying it's maybe the fiddler crabs.
I don't know. Here, see how, measure that dude for me. I'm gonna say 17. based on my exceptional sheep's head knowledge and watching YouTube videos.
More like
19? Ooh, I was way off. Would you take a picture for me once it's... I have needed this, Paul.
Yes.
That just saved me. "19-inch sheep's head." All right. It's about time. I now smell like fish. That is what I wanted. That is what we frickin' came here for. Oh, that was a good thump. Something bigger is playing with it. Might just be pinfish. Oh, this is the big fish. Oh, I got a big fish. I got a big fish. You won't friggin' believe this. Damn, I'm embarrassed. I watched, oh man, what was that lady I met the other day? Julie from Real Coastal. I Just Beat You. Catch of the day. Oh man. What did I get? I don't know what this is, but I got something big. All right, it is the next day. I appreciate everybody for watching that video. If you have been following on even a little bit, even my friends have known, I have been chasing a sheep's head this year. I mean, I want to say like 6 or 7 trips out. I went to Lillian Bridge, I went to Bob Sykes, I went to 3 Mile, at least 4 or 5 times. So that fish meant a lot. I just got the fish cleaned up. We are gonna cook it tonight for dinner. So yeah, I really appreciate you guys watching. That was really freaking fun. New kayak, first fish on that kayak was a sheep's head, which was incredible. I want to thank Hook Optics for being a sponsor of this video. I'll put a link above and down in my description. Also, Keep It Real Fishing. I'll put all that information in the description. You can have discount codes for sunglasses and clothes. I think Wednesday, Paul and I are going to go back. Actually, we're going to go, not back. Wednesday, Paul and I are going to go offshore, Navarre. I don't know what we're going to catch. I'm going to do some reef fishing for the first time in a kayak. Maybe some trolling, some bottom fishing. We'll see. And then this weekend, Parker and I are going out on southbound charters. We are going out to the Fads. We're going to do some wahoo and tuna fishing. So that'll be fun. Stay tuned.